Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're going to look at how to restore deleted emails in Gmail. So one thing I want to point out is if the emails that you've moved to the trash folder are older than 30 days, it's not possible to restore them. They will be deleted by Gmail. But if they're under 30 days, you can restore them again. So all you have to do is navigate to your Gmail account. On the left-hand side, you're going to click on More and then scroll down till you see the trash folder. So you can restore emails one by one. So say if I want to restore this email, I'm going to click in the little square ticket, then I'm going to go up to the top and you can click on Move To, and then you can move it back to your inbox again, and that will move back to your inbox. If you want to restore all the emails in your trash folder, you click up the top, all the emails will be marked, and there you do the same thing, click on Move To, and click on the folder you want to restore those messages to. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.